Hey, I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to find the colors that inspire you out in the world. In this example, I snapped a photo of this weed, this thistle that bloomed just really beautifully near my house, and I grabbed a picture and I knew I loved these colors and I wanted to use them somewhere, either on my website or on my social media posts. Um, they could be used for a book cover, any sort of design that you want to do. So I snapped the picture, I downloaded it to my computer, and then ultimately I like to design in Canva. Now I have had Canva supply the colors from photos before and put them in this area. This is Canva, the pro account, or the whatever the upgraded one is. But it's not doing it for me lately. So I got a little frustrated, but then I remembered this tool this is Genie Fab. It's just a sort of a random web tool, but there are several other websites like this that can help you find the colors from your image. So I uploaded the image, and now I can just scoot around here and find the colors that I really like from this. Like there's really some gorgeous colors here. I like that one. And it adds up these selected colors. Then when you click on it, it copies over. I actually prefer the hex code, so I'm going to click it, copies it over, and then I like to store it in Canva. In fact, like you can make yourself a whole brand color set here, but for this purpose, I can just you just paste in the copied one. You can turn it that color. I copy and paste it in, and let's get the other one. I like that guy. And just glue it right in there. Also, you'll see they offer these sets, so anytime this color shows up in a set, they might offer it to you, so you could see something that inspired you that you weren't even thinking about. So I'm going to grab one more. Let's do this kind of light green, and it adds it here. I'm clicking, I'm copying, duplicating this, and then pasting. Oh, I think I lost that. Get it again and paste it in there. So now I get the colors, and I can use these on my website or in different ways in social media posts. So look out for these colors if you follow me on socials. Okay, see you later.